Okay, welcome to Marty's stem wall test videos. This started because Marty was complaining. It's Gordon Martinson, but we'll call him Marty. He's having problems with his stem walls, and I asked him to kind of be more specific on what he's trying to do, and I haven't heard back from him. But anyway, I think this is his issue. He's playing with his stem wall right here, and watch these two. He's posted two images, and he's talking about this slab right here. He can control the slab. Oh, come on. His slab goes up. See that? It just went up. Previous. Now went down. Up, down. And I think what he wants to do is he wants to control C. He wants to control that elevation of that C. He can locate this D down here. He can control this up here, but he can't control that C. Why can't he control it? Because it's grayed out. Why is it grayed out? Because I think it's controlled by the room above. Did he post a plan? No. I'm freaking guessing what he's trying to do. But I think that is actually controlled by the room above, and I'll show you that in just a second. I think I know what's going on here. So that's the issue. Now I think you could do this with a stem wall, with a pure stem wall. If this is a full-on stem wall with a footing underneath it, you can control that stem wall height, or not a stem wall, pony wall. You can do this with the pony wall quite easily, I think. But I don't think he wants to do it as a pony wall. If it's not a pony wall, what is it? I think it's he's looking at a picture right here of two different floors. From C to B is one floor, and from C to D is another floor. And that's where the issue is. And so this C is actually controlled by the room above. I think that's what's going on here, okay? So here's the situation right here. I think this is what he's talking about. And I think I can control that, I'm going to just change the floor surface of this garage, which is this room above. See this yellow mark? That's my sill plate. That's one room. And from the yellow plate down to the slab, and if I auto-detail this thing, you're going to see the slab. And that's the slab there. So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to Control Z. I'm going to undo that stupid. Okay? Now I'm going to change that stem wall height, okay? U. Watch this. Instead of minus 48, I'm going to make it minus 36. Everything's going to stay in the same place except for that stem wall that I just, see that? That stem wall just went up. If I wanted to take it down to U minus 60, I can do that. Now I think I'm controlling the stem wall. Yep. The slab's staying in the same place and the ceiling's staying in the same place. So that's what he's I think that's what he's getting at. Now, here's a situation here. Now, I did this video before, but my computer messed up. So I have this floor right here. Alt J. Here it is right here. Oh, why don't I see my slab? Why don't I see my slab? SL, foundation being shown. Wall foundation, foundation. Footings, floor surfaces? That's the garage. U, floor finish, delete. Oh, it's a monolith, whatever. I'm back up. Oh, there's my slab. Isn't that interesting? Does that make any sense to you guys? You think I've got a slab in there? I really get confused with this stuff here. Floor structure. Oh, monolithic slab foundation. Let's see if this is a virtual slab or not. Let's look at that first. Shift G. No, it's not. I don't know why it wasn't there at one time and now it is. I get so confused sometimes. So anyway, that makes sense to me. It makes sense. Oh, but I don't want to see. Oh. So if I come over to here and go floor surfaces, turn it off, you think the slab's going to be gone? Yeah, it is. Because it's that virtual slab again. It's not a real slab. You got to put your own slab in there to see it because it's a floor. It's the weirdest thing. I don't quite. get it. But if I put a slab in there, I'm gonna see it. So it's a floor surface. Isn't that weird? I suppose if I come over to on a U, I can't control floor finish. Monolithic slab foundation. I bet I screwed things up again. Oh, it's not it can't be a monolithic slab foundation because that's not what Marty wants. He wants the stem wall thing, and that's a whole different ball of wax. So I'm back to this thing right here, F6, and I don't have that slab there. But if I come over to, and that's a garage, I'm at the first level, floor supplied, floor finish. If I give it a insert, plan material, concrete. Let me see if I can see it that way. I think so. Incorrect. Oh, because it's a floor finish again. Yeah, nitwit. Anyway, that's it is what it is. Delete. So I think I would have I'd put my own slab in there because that's the monolithic slab type. Anyway, there's another way of doing it. Isn't that weird? Anyway, back to the whole issue of what I'm talking about. Now, here's something that's very interesting, and this is one of my gripes with Chief. Look at this stem wall. This concrete stem wall goes all the way up to there. That's what I want, okay? This one goes all the way up to this side. But I have this thing coming down here. I really want this wood floor system to come all the way across to there. Why doesn't it? I don't know. Can I stop that at the stop at floor platform? You think that's going to work? Yeah, I did. You see that? Now I'm getting to be about where I'm at, where I want to be. Because I really want that concrete stem wall to go all the way up, but I'm still getting this little pony wall right here. Why am I getting a little wood pony wall there? I think I've run into this before. I can't control that. In fact, what I did here, this room right here, I called that a porch. Because if I don't call it a porch and I call it a bedroom, or unspecified, how about a bedroom? Watch what happens. Yeah. See, now I get this thing again here. I get that pony wall there because this is the bedroom, not because and it's not a porch anymore. So now let's go up to this wall here, and say stop at floor platform. Now let's see what happens. Better. Yeah, that's what I wanted. I got that. But now I have, but this time I want this stem wall right here to stop here. And how do you do that? I don't know. So I can't control that. Oh, by the way, oh look, check this. Oh, because this is now a bedroom. Let's change this back to a porch and see what happens. Watch what happens right here. Porch. And I don't know if it's going to screw everything up or not. I don't know. Yep, see, I got that stem wall there, but I don't have it here. Now, this was weird. I think this was really weird what happened here. See this, how this goes back into here, these floor joists? Watch what happens when I do. Last time I put a wall right here. I moved it over to here. F12. Some funny stuff's going on. Now I'm going to delete that particular wall. What did I delete? Oh, I deleted it. Yeah. See. Now those floor joists get that double rim joist right there. The plywood still goes through, but just because I put the wall there and took it out, I got that double rim joist right there. So I think I showed Marty how to control this stem wall. He didn't give me a plan, so I'm just guessing at what he wants or what he's trying to do. But the bottom line is you control that stem wall height by the floor up above. And if you look at his thing, it was floor number 1, and I don't know what he was doing. And that's why it's so important to post these stupid plans, because things vary so much. See, I like this situation here. But over here, I really want that stem wall to go up. Oh. So how do I get that stem wall to go up? I don't know. Oh, I'm calling that a porch. Yeah, see, because I call this a porch, this stem wall goes up and all that other funny stuff, and whatever, that's a weakness in Chief. And why doesn't Chief try to understand what we're trying to do? I don't know. I guess they're busy doing other things. That's why. So here, let me just see if I can change this thing one more time. You stop at floor platform. It is stopping at the floor. Yeah, of course it's stopping at the floor platform because the floor platform goes through. Do I want to generate between platforms? See, that's the problem I'm having, is generate between platforms. It's checked. Why is it grayed out? If it was not grayed out, I could uncheck this, and then that wall would not generate between the other platform. You get what I'm saying? I don't want that stem wall there. I don't want that wood stem wall there. And I think that wood stem wall is there because this generate between platforms is checked. If I could uncheck that generate between platforms, then that wood wall wouldn't be there, and this stem wall would go all the way up. Okay? If I'm confusing you, that's all right, because I'm confusing myself half the time too. So you stop at ceiling. You think that? Suppose I do that. What happens now? Nothing. I don't know. Whatever. I don't know what happens on that. So there's something missing here. I mean, for the most part, it is a workaround. You can work around it, but I'm done. That's the end. I could go on forever with this stuff. I think I got the gist got through. Yeah. So just to reiterate, I think I fixed, or I explained to Marty how this is controlled, the stem wall height. I mean, I showed you I can control this floor. I can control that floor. Didn't I show you that? I'm down the foundation, structure, floor. Where is the floor? How about minus 96? Minus 96, watch that floor go down. See, the floor went down, the stem wall stayed where it's at, the ceiling stayed where it's at. I can control the ceiling, of course, very easily by going up here and changing this ceiling height to a default height by 96, and you're going to see what happens. This whole ceiling right here is going to drop down. See? That dropped down. Anyway, that's the end. I can go on forever. That's the end.